Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Sorry for the I took a break for a while. Today I will present to you this pen, means precision engineered models. This one is a Coca-Cola truck. Actually, I'm not into truck beverages, but this is the one. Actually, I'm more after of the truck model, and this one is an international cab over engine. I think this one are the 9100 precision engineered models. These are old models actually, but I still seek these models because I grew up with them. I see them on the road. It's nice to have those big vehicles that you see on the road, right? So here it is, the International. I think this is the 9600 cab over engine. Nice detail, die-cast, cab, complete with interior, black wash grille, detailed headlights, side indicators, of course rolling rubber wheels. I could use also some black wash over this. Ventilation holes, detailed. No, it's not much detail as die-cast promotion, but it's a solid die-cast chassis. Fifth wheel also die-cast, but it's fixed. Detailed undercarriage chassis. You can see the axles. Also chrome fuel tank, diesel fuel tank, smokestack, air cleaner, chrome. Only thing is they don't have side mirrors, but we have some extra side mirrors from die-cast promotion that we can install here. Let's see. Wait. Let's see how this is die-cast solid. So you see how much it weighs. So it's around 140 grams. And of course, the trailer. This one is also die-cast. Coca-Cola logo. That dynamic, we call it the dynamic ribbon. But this one is not opening. So it's void. No? Anyway, important for me is the model, the tractor model. Rolling rubber wheels, solid die-cast all throughout. See how much it weighs? Is 596 grams, half a kilo, more than half a kilo, right? So we'll hitch it up. By the way, this is a 64 replica. It's a 64 replica of the real thing. You can see it. Okay. Very nice rolling. I still don't have a Pepsi. I think I should get a Kenworth T2000. I saw one with the Pepsi logo. That's I think it's from die-cast promotion or Specas, something like that. At least Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Cola Wars. Wow. Okay. Nice paint job. Glossy. Is something. This I like about precision engineered models. A little more waxing and this will be fully glossy. Detailed tail lights, high visibility markings. They are nicely done. Wow, it's a nice model. Excellent, excellent workmanship. Okay, there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. See you again soon. Please like and subscribe. Bye.